Death Korps of Krieg. Spiking bits. Dark Bunny Creatives back in the house today. We got Phil.
Hey.
This is this a championship army?
It didn't quite make the championships at Adepticon.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. Fair enough.
Close. Almost. It's part of that army. So Corey and I actually split this between the two of us. I brought knights with 2 Punishers and 30 infantry, and then he brought all the other tanks. Actually, sorry, I had 2 Wyverns with mine as well. But then he brought all the other tanks and then the other infantry. So
wow,
this was the army that we got ready for Adepticon to give us a little bit more diversity and some more competitive edge over having Space Wolves and stuff.
Yeah.
Sorry to say.
Oh, sorry, Space Wolf players.
So
too soon.
Yeah.
They'll be back.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Corey's ready to bring those dreads back. So.
Oh, those things are gorgeous.
But yeah, we did some custom work on this one. We wanted to make it a little stand out a little bit more. Mm-hmm. It is painted to vanilla, which is our lowest level. But we did do some conversion work on the tanks. You can see we reversed the treads, kind of give them a Sakaran feel to them, and then stuck the heavy stubber in here as opposed to on top as a pintle.
That would break.
Yeah, absolutely. So it's a little safer transport.
Yep, good call.
And then all the little guns and stuff are magnetized.
Oh wow!
So they can, which I guess is pretty common now. But
so is that Punisher a Punisher or?
It is a Punisher.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. That's the way you gotta bring it. You gotta kill those infantries.
I just want to know where Pask is. Oh,
yeah, he's somewhere. He'll pop out of one of these things someday
when you need him.
Exactly.
Right when they least expect it. This is great. I love all the basing on it and how you kind of did a little fire and ice on the power weapons right there.
Yeah. We wanted them to pop a little
plasmas.
Bit. Yep. So this is continuing the theme of our board and army. With the Wolf Knights that we did, and we've shown those before. So a lot of rocky texture and groundwork with the snow basing and everything. Mm-hmm. And one of the small conversions and stuff were on the nozzles of these basilisks using one of the tanks. I can't remember the name of the gun.
They all sound the same.
It's
even rust, blah, blah, blah.
Absolutely, yeah. So we just cut off the tip of the gun and then stuck these on top to kind of give it that.
That definitely looks good. I'm stoked on that. What's the back of the Wyverns look like? You got some control panels and such?
Yep. I'll show this one here. So...
Oh, yeah.
Switched out the driver gunner guy. Has a Krieg head on there, so... But, yep.
Very cool. Yeah, that looks great. So this is a vanilla commission. How long will something like this take to get done by you all, generally?
Probably... We usually give, for a project of this side, around 3 weeks time frame from when it's set to start. So we work on a monthly schedule. So it's usually about 2 to 3 weeks turnaround from when we start the project on something like this. So,
about how many points are we talking here?
This is probably close to, depending on how you kit everything, roughly 1,500 points, I'd say.
Okay.
About 600 points for basilisks, and then the tanks are about 150 each. So another 1,200, and then all the infantry probably puts you around, right around 1,500 with the characters here and there.
Yeah, just add assassin and or knights, or 2 knights.
Yeah, or Castellan, maybe.
Yeah, it's a little bit more expensive these days.
A little.
He's been working out. He got swole.
Yeah.
But no, it's cool. So definitely, how can they find out more about commissioning something like this to get their very own vanilla level commission? The
best way to get to us is either through darkbunnycreatives.com. There's a contact us, so you can submit a quote. We also have Facebook and Instagram. We post content there daily, so there's a lot of pictures to scroll through. You can see a lot of different samples of our work. And you can shoot us a message on Facebook. Instagram you can as well, but it's easier for us to make sure we catch your message if you do it through Facebook. So, and that's through Dark Bunny as well. Dark Bunny Creatives.
Dark Bunny Creatives. There it is.